Welcome student. Today we discuss the question answer of chapter 4. Housewives. First we do the fill in the blanks. Housewives sometimes use the method of hand picking to remove unwanted substances from eatables like rice and pulses. Second, common salt is prepared on a large scale through the process of evaporation. Third, separation of tea leaves from tea is done by a process called filtration. The process of loading can be used to increase the rate of sedimentation of the suspended particles in a solid liquid mixture. The fifth one, the method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at high speed is known as centrifugation. Now match the following. Wind is matched with winnowing. Chalk powder and water is matched with sedimentation. Oil and water is matched with separating funnel. Separating peas from cooked flour. Hand picking. Muslin cloth. Filtration. Camphor and salt. Sublimation. Now tick the correct option. Which of the following is an example of a heterogeneous mixture? The options are sugar in water, pebbles in rice, an aerated drink, salt in water. The correct option is pebbles in rice. The second question. Which one of the following is not an example of a pure substance? Oxygen, air, copper, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is air. Question number third. The process of loading helps to slow down the rate of sedimentation, speed up the rate of sedimentation, speed up the rate of decantation, slow down the rate of decantation. The correct option is speed up the rate of sedimentation. Now the fourth question, transferring the clear liquid into another container leaving behind the residue is called decantation. A substance that sublimes easily is naphthalene. Now answer the following question in brief. First question, name any three methods used for separating a solid-solid mixture. The three methods used for separating a solid-solid mixture are hand picking, threshing, sieving. Now next, what is winnowing? Give an example of a mixture whose components can be separated by this method. So answer is the process of separation of lighter particles from heavier ones by wind is called winnowing. This method is used to separate lighter husk from heavier grains. Third question. Some iron pins get scattered on the carpet when you are expecting guests. How can one collect all the pins in the shortest possible time? The answer is by using a magnet. The scattered pins The answer is by using a magnet. The scattered iron pins easily get stuck with the magnet. Next question. Name any three substances which sublime on heating? The answer is the three substances which sublime on heating are camphor, naphthalene, and ammonium chloride. Question number 5. What is crystallization? Name any three substances which can be purified using this technique. Crystallization is a process which separates a pure solid in the form of its crystals from a saturated solution. Salt, sugar, and alum can be purified by this technique. Answer the following question. E part. The first question is differentiate between a pure substance and a mixture. Give two examples of each. Answer is pure substances have only one kind of particles, while the mixture consists of two or more substances mixed together in any proportion. Salt and sugar are examples of pure substances, while sugar in water and soft drinks are examples of mixtures. Next question. Can a mixture of iodine and camphor be separated by the sublimation method? Give reason for your answer. Answer is no, because both iodine and camphor sublime on heating. The next question, fourth. Why does the size of naphthalene balls put in open keep on reducing with time? The answer is it is because naphthalene sublimes when kept in open. Question number 5. After a dust storm, how does rain help in making air clear? Answer is the dust particles present in air get loaded with rainwater and settle down. This helps in making air clear. Question number 6. Sawdust mixed in water cannot be separated by the sedimentation method. Why? Answer is sawdust lighter than water and hence floats on water surface. That's why it cannot be separated by the process of sedimentation. Question number 7. The filtration method cannot be used to separate sugar and salt mixed in water. Why? The answer is filtration method is used to separate insoluble solid impurities present in water. The particle size of sugar and salt mixed in water is very small and hence cannot be separated by filtration method. The last question. Describe the method of centrifugation using an appropriate example. The answer is centrifugation is used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at high speeds. The heavier particles tend to settle down at the bottom of the container while the lighter ones stay at the top. Separating cream from milk by churning it is an example of centrifugation. Thank you, student. You practice it more and more.